What up, my homies? My name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a step-by-step process how you can easily add a section to your watch list. I really hope that this is the video you're looking for, and let's just go right into it, right? So as you can see right now, I got my watch list right here, right? And what I can do, I can simply add a symbol as a stock or futures, whatever, or I can import whatever of my watch list. But what I can do is click on come here, right click and click add a section. And straight away the section has been created with the symbol, the USD and Japan pair in it, right? So, what is happening? And now what I can do, I can rename the section. What up, homie? Or what up, cuz? So, you know, I was watching a TV show on Netflix, and it was like about streets, and from that moment I just like call everyone homie. And do you know what is interesting? That everyone else is calling me homie back. So right now I'm going to call you homie too, because you are my homie too, you know, my brother. So that's what you can do. Right click and click on it and add a symbol, add a section, or then you can like simply move and just delete the section. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.